What's going on, guys? This is Nasdaq Bliss, the king of price action. As you all know, guys, I'll be dropping a video whereby I'll be showing you guys it's possible to double a small account. So after this video, I think for the upcoming videos, I'll be showing you guys how to double a big account or how to grow a small account to a big account. So basically, currently, guys, I'll be showing you how I was able to double a small account as always. So please, guys, like the video, subscribe, stay tuned, let's get into it. So I always say that from a weekly time frame, you should always look for a structure, of which we can see that we are moving in a consolidation in this case. So I'm just going to try and cater for, okay, there goes our resistance, and then here goes our support. So from the support, we know that always the market should go to the resistance. So we can see that recently the market has already touched the support, so it's on the way to the resistance. But we do know that we have sensitive areas, of which we call the key chart levels or the key levels. So currently I can see that I have a level of sensitivity here. I have a level of sensitivity, of which I am going to call this level my newly formed support. The reason why I'm calling this level a newly formed support, it is because I can see that this zone was a support and then the market decided to break below. But currently we had a push to the upside, whereby we had our first touch, second touch, and then our possible third touch. So now we can see that this level is a sensitive zone, of which we call a support. So we know the rules of support and resistance, of which from the support the market should go to the resistance. So currently we don't have a newly formed resistance, but I'm going to drop it to a lower time frame. Okay, so we can see that we have our structure, of which we have our newly formed support here. So for the trades that I took, I went to a 4-hour time frame. Okay, let me try to adjust this thing accurately. Okay, as we can see, we were on the newly formed support, and the market gave us a clear bearish trend. Okay, let me go to 1 hour. The market gave us a clear bearish trend, of which here is our diagonal support. Okay, so I was able to capture those buys. Somewhere around this point. That's where I placed my buys, and then my stop loss was obviously below the previous low. And then we all know that our risk reward ratio has to always be above 1:2. So in this case, I think this one is something like, it should be something like 1:2 or 1:3. So I was planning to hold this trade up until this previous high, but I got stopped out at somewhere here. So we can see that we are in a bearish trend, of which the market gave us our clear newly formed resistance and a newly formed support. So from this support, I was waiting for the market to go to my resistance, and then maybe we'll get a pullback. But unfortunately, the market decided to respect maybe this area. That's when we got this pullback. So I was able to secure something like, I don't know, 2.5 to 3k, yeah, something around that point. So I'm going to show you guys this trade, so stay tuned. Let's get into it.